Viewers, welcome. After the first example, the second example, this last example on this topic, the first order differential equation by using separating the variable. Now, if you look at this question, if you study this question, you can see that there are some factors that are common. What does this separating of variable mean? That what you have to take the function of y to the y and the function of x to the x. Now, this question is same thing as y is common at my numerator, y squared is, I can factor y squared outside, and I have 1 plus x. Therefore, this my denominator, what can I factor outside? S squared. Then we have what? Y minus 1. This is same thing as y squared 1 plus x all over y minus 1. Then what? S squared. So how many functions do I have here? Only have two functions, which is what? Y squared, and which is y function and what? And s function. Good. This is same thing as, we can write this as what? As y squared over y minus 1. Then I have 1 plus x over s squared. This stand as a function, and this also stand as what? As another function. Good. Which is what? The y over the s. Then let's move. What I get to this is that what? I have to move the function of s to the left hand side of my equation, and I have to move the function, I have to leave the function of x at the right hand side of the equation. Now, by moving this to this other side, it means that what? I have to divide both sides by this. Now, this will give me y minus 1 over y squared dy over what? The x is equal to 1 plus x over what? X squared. Good. If we split this further, we are going to have y. This is same thing as, let me just do this aside. I have y minus 1 over y squared. This same thing as y over y squared minus 1 over what? Y squared. By breaking it down. So this is same thing as 1 over y minus 1 over y squared, which is 1 over y minus y raised to the power of what? Minus 2. For this. Then for this s function, it says as 1 plus x over s squared over s squared. SN1, SN1. So I have 1 over s squared plus 1 over s. The same time what? S minus s is power what? Minus 2 plus 1 over s. So therefore, this I can write this as this function. I can split it down as 1 over y minus y raised to the power of what? Minus 2 dy over the s. Good. Y for this, I'm going to have 1, I'm going to have s raised to the power of what? Minus 2 plus 1 over s. This is what I'm going to have. Good. Then the next step is what? Is to integrate both sides with respect to s. If I should integrate this with respect to s, dy over ds with respect to what? S. I'm going to have ds is equal to, let me clean this out. The integral of s raised to the power of minus 2 plus 1 over s, the what? The s. Since I'm integrating with respect to what? The s. This cancel this. What I have the integral of 1 over y minus y raised to the power of negative 2 dy. Then let me integrate this 1 over y minus y raised to the power of negative 2 dy is equal to the integral of s raised to the negative of 2 minus 2 plus 1 over this, the what? The x. If I should integrate 1 over y, is same thing as ln y. Then if I should integrate this, I'm going to have what? No, you are going to plus 1 to this and divide by the correct value, which is I'm going to have plus y raised to the power of what? Minus 1. is equal to, if I should integrate s raised to the power what? Minus 2. If you can recall, and let us go back to this little integration, is that the integral of s minus 2 ds. You add s minus 2 plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. Which same thing as what I'm going to have here? We're going to have s minus 1. Then this will give what? Negative. Then plus what? Your constant. So that's how I have this. So the same thing is going to happen. I'm going to have what? Minus s minus 1 plus ln s plus c. So this I can make the arrangement of the value by having ln y plus y minus 1, y raised to the negative 1, ln x minus s raised to the negative 1 plus c. That is the final answer. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for math. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.